Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to access age-restricted servers on Discord on iOS. So if I go to my profile right here in the application, and if I'm trying to toggle that option on from the app, if I go to privacy and safety, as you can see right here, I do not have that option to allow access to age-restricted servers. So what you have to do right here is just open your browser on your mobile phone and search Discord. And after that, you just have to scroll down. Just don't open the first option that shows up, and scroll down and go to discordapp.com. And after you do that, it will show up the login page where you have to insert your username and password associated with your Discord account. I already done that and I'm logged into my account. So now if I press this button right here with the three lines, and if I go to settings, privacy and safety, if I scroll down right here, as you can see, I have this option, allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. So what I have to do is just toggle on this option right here. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.